It's here. Oh!
The National Weather Service Office.
Oh, that hurt. I fell.
The proceeding was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming. Hourly weather
You know you just hit a pog. A pogger in the chat is when you're just sitting on this chair right here. Where'd my radio go? I probably threw it. Yeah, it's over here. You know you're getting pogs in the chat when you're over here recording the thing, and you hear your 120 go off, and next thing you know you just, like here, for example, I'll put this here. See if you can get an example. Like, I just go, and then I slipped and did this. Then I had to get up. Pretty darn fast after that. But did I get there? Yes. Was it painful? Yes. And now my leg feels broken. I'm kidding. Well, successful days, successful measures. You have to get to your 120 somehow. Even that means possibly breaking your frickin' leg. Oh well, let's get this plugged in.